Hello everyone, Chris Collins here from SCSeTools support. Today I'll be going over clearing your cache in your browser. I'll be covering this in both in Google Chrome as well as Microsoft Edge. Your cache is basically just your temporary internet files that get stored on your local machine, so that whenever you access a website frequently, it'll kind of speed things up and everything. The problem is for an application that has updates such as SCSeTools is occasionally if that update gets pushed into the website itself, it will not always update on your local computer. You might be working with an earlier version of the code. So if you're experiencing some issues with it, it's always a good first step to go ahead and try to clear your cache to see if that takes care of some of those issues. First, we'll go ahead and start off here with Google Chrome. So I'll go ahead and I'll launch Chrome. The biggest thing within dealing with the cache is that you need to make sure that you're not on the website, so in this instance SCSeTools, that you're trying to get rid of. The reason for that is if you're actually on the eTools website, sometimes those temporary files are in use and won't allow you to actually clear that out. So in Chrome, in order to get to the settings to clear that out, we'll go click on these three dots here in the top right, which will bring up our menu. Go down, click on Settings. When we're in the Settings menu, all the configurations are here on the left-hand side, so we'll go ahead and click on the Privacy and Security section. Once we do that, we'll go ahead and click on the Clear Browsing Data. And then go down and make sure that we have the cached images and files selected here, the very last one. The time range also needs to be set to all time just to make sure that you get all of those files. The other you can actually leave alone, so whatever the defaults are, depending on what your preferences are, you can click those accordingly regarding your browsing history and any cookies or anything that are stored on your computer. We'll go ahead and click on Clear Data. And once we do that, that's basically all there is to it. We can go ahead and close out of this then and access the eTools website, and it'll download a fresh copy. Similarly in Edge, we'll go ahead and open it up here as well. Again, make sure that we're not on the SCSeTools website. Once we actually get into our browser, on the top right hand screen, again the same location that where we were looking at on Google Chrome, there's actually these three separate dots here that'll take us into those settings menus. Once we click on the dots, we go on down to Settings. And again, very much like it looked like it was on Chrome, on the left hand side will actually be our settings. I'm going to close actually out this website in the background here. And then on the left hand side you'll actually see the options that we can kind of dive into. We'll jump on over to the Privacy and Search Services again. And then if we go down to the Clear Browsing History section, click on the Choose What to Clear. And then just make sure again that we have the cached images and files, and the rest of these are absolutely up to you guys. The time range, again, we'll do all time just to make sure that we're getting rid of all of that past files that are stored on our computer. Go ahead and click on Clear Now. And we have successfully cleared out our cache. We're ready to access eTools, and the next time that we actually visit the website, it'll go ahead and download the fresh copy of it. So again, if you have any questions, you can contact us at support@scsetools.com. Thank you and have a great day.